This is a standard Lanark chemical pack. It has test strips, perfect balance, Sparlight sachets, Optimizer Plus, chlorine concentrate, and also Filter Bright sachets to clean your filters. It's important to get your spa off to the right start. We use quality chemicals that will look after your spa in its future. The 3 steps for treating your spa chemically are very simple. Part 1, we want to get the pH and alkalinity right and pop in perfect balance to stop it from sliding out. Part 2 is sanitize, and part 3 is water enhancement with the Optimizer Plus. So the first step, perfect balance, we want to achieve a pH of between 7.2 and 7.6. This is ideal. Total alkalinity is usually within a range between 20 and 150 parts per million. Just grab a little sticky thing out, pop it in the water. It will reveal colours that you can balance off on the bottle and see that it's within balance. If the pH is between 7.2 and 7.6, this is ideal. Generally, total alkalinity will be within balance. Pop in about 2/3 of the bottle of perfect balance, and that will help prevent it from sliding out of balance. Part 2 is sanitising. Simply cut the corner of a Sparlight sachet off and sprinkle it into the system with, again, a pump going. Part 3 is using Optimizer Plus as a water enhancement tool. It has a rose fragrance. It has built-in clarifiers to help achieve clarity in your water. And once you've done those 3 things, you're up and running and you're right to go. In the standard Lanark chemical pack, you will also receive 2 items: chlorine concentrate in granule form and Filter Bright to clean your filter cartridges. So we'll talk about the chlorine first. Basically, that's in there to boost residual levels of chlorine that are already in your spa that you put in with the Sparlight sachet. I can't tell you exactly how much of that to use. It depends on your usage, your family's usage, but it's recommended at a dosage of about 15 grams per 1,000 litres per day. The other product that's in the pack is Filter Bright. And basically what you do with that is you pop it into a bucket of water, grab the cartridges out of the filtration box and immerse them in there overnight. Now, you can hose these out weekly, but, and we will go that into the maintenance area, but the main thing here is that sometimes they look clean, but they're still pitted with oils and fats, and that's what we want to draw out of it with the Filter Bright. So early on, when you first get your spa, maybe after the first week or 2, you might want to initially Filter Bright it, then every month after that, roughly. When you put the filter cartridges back in, please remember to rinse them thoroughly before you do so. Lastly, all the bottles are labelled, so you can refer to the dosages on the back of the bottles. We also provide you with a referral guide that will help you with troubleshooting and ongoing chemical issues and questions that you might have. Oh, and don't forget, always check the levels on your test strips before you get in the water.